Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Fabric and where you can get mods and how to install the mods. The first website you want to come to is fabricmc.net. I'll have other websites that I've used linked in the description below. Once you're on this website, just select download universal.jar and just save that to your downloads folder. Once it's fully downloaded, come to your downloads folder, and if you don't have the executable jar file, that may be because you have to install a Java development kit. So if I right click this file and select open with Java platform SE binary, if you don't have this here you may need to install Java 17, which I'll also have linked in the description below. You're just going to want to come to this website, select whatever operating system you're on. I'm on Windows, and then you would go for the 64 installer, which is this one right here. Just download this, save it to your downloads, and install Java on your system. Once you do that, however, you should have the Java icon, and when you double click this, it should prompt you to use Java platform SE binary. Select OK. And then the Fabric installer will appear. You're going to want to select client and then select the version that you want, 1.20.4, and then the loader version, just pick the latest one, 0.15.7. It should automatically detect your launcher location and select create profile so that it creates a profile for you. Then just select install. It will then say Fabric Loader has successfully installed. Just select OK, and then close out of Fabric Installer. Some of the mods may need the API, so when you search for Fabric mods, you can come to any one of these. I'm just going to pick Modrinth. As you can see, Fabric API is right here. Just select it. You'll need this API for certain mods. Just select versions, and it will display all the versions that are available. You can filter versions, select 1.20.4, and then you can download the latest version. Now if these actual mods you don't want to launch it, you want to put it into the mods folder. So launch the Minecraft launcher and you'll be brought to this page right here. And if you're on the Java edition, it will say Fabric Loader 1.20.4. That will be inside your installations as well. Now what you want to do is select the file icon. That will open File Explorer. And inside the .minecraft, you should have a mods folder. If you don't, just create one by simply right clicking, select a new folder. But inside this mods folder, you're going to want to put your Fabric API. And then any other mods that you want to run. So if you come back to Modrinth, you'll have a filters list and you can filter for Fabric mods. Just select Fabric and then you can select any mods that you want. For this example, I'll use Sodium. Just select versions, Fabric, and then download the latest version. Then once it's downloaded, drag the Sodium mod into your mods folder. You can then close everything down once you've got all the mods installed that you want. Come back to Minecraft launcher and then select play. Then you can create any random world and your mods should be working. If I pause the game, go to options and video settings, you can see that Sodium is installed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it really helped the channel out a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.